When I installed these floorboards, they were so long, I wasn't able to reach the kickstand to kick it down after a ride. So I put on this first kickstand extension, and still not long enough. So I bought another one, and hopefully this one will work. These floorboards are kind of long, longer than normal, and I kind of like them. I didn't really want to have to switch them back. But let's see if this new one will work. This new kickstand extension will work. This is the new kickstand extension. And it's supposed to go on like this. So I have to drill a small hole in the kickstand and run the bolt through. This one is a lot longer than the original kickstand extension, so it looks like this will work. And to make it easier, I'll put the bike on the center stand that I installed not too long ago. First thing I'm gonna do is remove the old kickstand extension. Okay, now that's removed, and it looks like I'm gonna have to trim off this tab right here, because this should fit lower down, closer, like that. It looks like I can just pop this tab off. It's only held together with a tack weld, and then I can clean it up if I have to with the grinder. So it popped off with no problem. So I got the extension held in place with a pair of vice grips, so I can mark the hole and drill the hole out. Right, I got the hole drilled out. I used a 1/4 inch bit. Now I just put the screw in, tighten it up, and I'm done. Alright, so I got the bolt slid through. Well, a screw or bolt slid through. And now I'll just put on the nut on the back. Tighten it up, and that's it. And tools that I'm using to tighten it up is a 3/16. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of dirty. It's a 3/16 Allen and a 7/16 open end wrench to tighten up the bolt. And there it is, all done. This is a quick, simple install for kickstand extension. You probably sold them on eBay and Amazon, but it works.